How to sign up and set up TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up and set up TikTok Shop. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. For those eligible for a TikTok Shop seller account based on location and other parameters, simply follow the steps to get set up and enable online shopping features on your account. First, create a business account on TikTok. Creating a business account is quite simple and free. Completing this step alone unlocks features not available to other users, such as advanced analytics and access to the TikTok Ads Manager. Step 2. Register for a TikTok Shop. Navigate to the seller registration portal and fill out the application. Upload the required documents including your ID, proof of residency, and proof of business ownership. Number 3. Wait for the results. You will receive an email about your application results in 1 to 2 days after applying. Once accepted, you will be able to use TikTok's shopping feature. Step 4. Link your account and get selling. Link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop to start selling on TikTok. You will now be able to add products and promote your shop in your bio and content. So, this is how you can sign up and set up TikTok Shop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.